of this video is to show you how SignatureBridge will easily integrate Net documents with DocuSign. Here we have a document stored in Net documents that we'd like to have electronically signed via DocuSign. First, we select the document that we need to be electronically signed in Net documents, right-click, and choose Send to Application. Choose Trumpet SignatureBridge. SignatureBridge will open, and if you haven't already done so, request that you log in to DocuSign. Go ahead and do so. Once you've logged into DocuSign, you will see the document listed here, and you're able to add your recipient. You can also adjust any of your messages and choose Next. Now add your signature to the document, wherever you'd like it to appear, and choose to send. SignatureBridge will open and allow you to see the document in Net Documents or in DocuSign. We'll view in Net Documents. You'll notice that the documents are checked out and that they show awaiting one signature. For now, we're done, but in a few minutes, someone will sign the document. Once the document has been signed, SignatureBridge will indicate that that document has been signed in the Envelope Details screen. In addition, in Net Documents, the status will change from awaiting one signature to signed. SignatureBridge is a simple and easy way to integrate Net documents with DocuSign.